Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something super important for anyone with a stoma, keeping your peristomal skin healthy and happy. Now, the skin around your stoma, known as your peristomal skin, is sensitive and needs some extra TLC. Over time, wearing a stoma bag can put a lot of stress on this area, but don't worry, I've got some great tips to help you out. First up, let's talk about fit. Your stoma barrier should fit snugly around your stoma. Check the size every few months or whenever you notice changes. This keeps waste from leaking onto your skin and causing irritation. When it's time to change your pouch, be gentle. Instead of pulling the adhesive off, push your skin away from it. Using an adhesive remover spray can make this process even easier and kinder to your skin. Next, cleansing is key. Use warm water and avoid perfumed or oily soaps, which can irritate your skin and weaken the adhesive bond. Pat your skin dry or air dry if you can before applying a new barrier. Let's not forget skin protectants. Barrier wipes or sprays can create a protective film on your skin. Also, stoma paste or barrier rings can help fill in any uneven areas, ensuring a better fit and preventing leaks. And if your skin is irritated, a light dusting of stoma powder can help absorb moisture and promote healing. Stick to a regular change schedule, usually every 2 to 4 days. Don't wait for itching or burning to change your pouch, as those might be signs of irritation already setting in. Also, empty your pouch when it's about half full to avoid stressing the adhesive seal. Always inspect your peristomal skin during pouch changes. Look out for redness, rashes, or any signs of infection. And if you notice persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your stoma care nurse. They're the experts and can help you troubleshoot and find the right solutions. By keeping up with these steps, you can protect your peristomal skin and keep it healthy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and remember, your comfort and health are worth the effort. Stay well, everyone.